Hello, pen pals, and welcome to Amy the Penabler, where we examine all things pen related. Today I have Altitude brand ballpoint pens, and I have two different sets. This one here has these plastic colored barrels, and the whole pen is plastic. And then these are metal accent plastic pens, and they are both a 1.0 tip, so they're a little bolder. Let's start by taking a look at the two that have the metal accent, which the box says is brass. And these are supposed to be refillable according to the package. I have not looked for the refills yet, but it does say they are refillable. So let's look at the tip on this. And we have a metal tip or a bullet tip on that pen. And I'll get a little closer on that. Now let's see how that writes. It is smooth. I won't say that it writes as smooth as a gel pen, but then these are ballpoint and not gel. But you can see that it has a nice dark line. And the black, they're both black ink, so I'm not going to write with the black one. Okay, let's take a look at the full plastic barrel pens. They come in orange, a kind of a rust color, gray, sage green, blue, and black. Now these are all black ink, so I'm only going to write with one of these pens. So let's take the black pen and let's look at the tip on that. And again, we have a metal tip or bullet tip, and let's see how that writes. It needed a little starting to get going. But other than that, it writes very similar to the one with the brass. So let's try that again now that I've given it a second to write. That is much smoother. It just needed a second to try to get it going with the ballpoint. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Altitude ballpoint pens. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.